Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about syllogism no concept. Actually, this concept is very important for all banking, insurance, railways and other state public service examinations. First of all, in this no concept we should know some basic points and some introduction part. I am going to teach that before we solve these questions. Okay. uh, Firstly, if you see any no in statements given in syllogism problem, first we should draw two things: basic and basic diagram, possible diagram. Please listen this carefully. If in the given statement basic diagram is true and possible diagram is also true, then no conclusion will be right answer. See, when basic diagram is false and possible diagram is true, then no conclusion is wrong. Please observe it. If no statement is supposed to be right, first basic diagram should be satisfied, as well as possible diagram is also should be satisfied. If both only correct, then no statement is right. If any one basic diagram or possible diagram is wrong, the no statement or no conclusion is wrong. As same, if basic diagram is true, possible diagram is false, then also no conclusion doesn't exist. It also be wrong. If both are wrong, same no. Means if no conclusion should follows that only both basic diagram and possible diagram only, the no statement will be right. Yes. To understand this, please solve the following questions which I written below that. Here statement some papers are pen. Okay. All pens are scale. Okay. No scale is markers. Yes. Here three statements are given and conclusion no marker is paper. Okay. No marker is pen. So this the diagram some papers are pen. Some papers are pen. Here all pens are scale. All pens are scale. And here no scale is marker. Yes, this is an important point. Marker. In this diagram, if you are not visible, I'll draw a big diagram. No problem in this. Paper. Some papers are pen and all pens are scale. No scale is marker. Yes, this is the diagram. Here no scale. Here we say that no marker is a paper. First basic diagram, here this case no marker is paper. Here there is no relationship in the diagram exists. Marker and paper. So what they told is right. And we connect with marker with paper. marker with paper, but we, we can't connect scale and we can't connect with pen also. Inside cannot be connected. So here possible diagram is wrong. So statement 1 is wrong. Conclusion 1 is wrong. Because in basic diagram what they told is already appeared in a diagram. But no marker is paper is right. But we can connect with marker with paper. Yes, there is a chance, there is a possible. So possible diagram is right. So here they said that no marker is paper. So the statement what they conclude is wrong. Yes, we can connect not possible, but they said that no marker is paper. So we tick wrong point. So one for no marker is pen. No marker is pen. Yes, the statement which is given and no marker according to the diagram, it is also a correct. And if we can't connect with marker with scale, at the same time we not able to connect marker with pen also. Yes, here what they said, no scale is marker. Yes, if you can't connect with marker with scale, at the same time we can't connect with pen also. So here they said no marker is pen. Yes, possible. Therefore 2 follows. Only 2 follows. First thing is wrong. Yes, we reverse second question also, then we came to good conclusion about this concept. Here we said that some tree is paper. Yes, some trees are paper. Some paper are pen. All pen are car. Please observe carefully. Okay. All car are truck. Again, all car are truck. Here no truck is cycle. Yes, are you visible this? They said that some tree or paper. Yes, we drawn. Some paper or pen. Yes, we drawn there. And all paper or car. Yes, all car or truck. Yes, no truck is cycle. Yes, we drawn the diagram what they said in statement and see the conclusion. No cycle is tree. Yes, there is no relationship between cycle and tree. Yes, basic diagram it's correct. When it come to possible diagram, yes, we can connect cycle with tree. Yes, yes or no? We can connect cycle with tree. So what they told no cycle is tree means their conclusion is wrong. So the possibility is also be wrong. Actually this exists, but they told that no cycle is a tree, so it's wrong. In second case, no cycle is paper. Yes, no cycle here, paper here. So yes, there is no relationship according to the diagram. Yes, basic diagram we are accepting, but we connect cycle with paper as some paper. Yes, So here also their conclusion what they assume is wrong, but it is right, it is a possible. Here no cycle is car, car is here, cycle is here. Yes, here see, listen here carefully, no cycle is car. Actually what they told, truck, no truck is cycle. Here no truck is cycle means we can't connect with cycle with car, we can't connect cycle with pen also. So yes, what they told is correct, this is right, no cycle is car. Exactly, exactly, it's exists. No cycle is car. Yes, we can't connect cycle with car and pen also. Yes, next conclusion. Yes, just now I already told that no cycle is pen. Yes, and in possible diagram also, yes, we exactly says that we can't connect with tire, we can't connect with cycle with car, we can't connect cycle with pen. Yes, therefore 3 4 follows. Okay, please, if you're not, if you're unable to understand, please re-revise this video and we got some clarity. And next problem, no problem. Here statement, all cake are sweet, all cake are sweet. Here all sweet are goods. Yes, some goods are best, some goods are best. Here see, no good is a chocolate, no good is chocolate. Here we see this conclusion, no chocolate is best. In first conclusion we see that no chocolate is best. Yes, but we can connect chocolate with best. Yes, obviously. So their assumption is wrong. Yes, we 100% connect with best with chocolate. Here no chocolate is cake, cake here, chocolate. Yes, there is no connection, and we can't connect chocolate with cake. Yes, here even we said that we can't connect good with chocolate, then how we connect with sweet, and how you connect with chocolate cake? So it is right. Yes, we can't connect, we can't connect. Yes, we can't connect. So the statement, it is right. Next, third, no chocolate is good. Yes, no chocolate is good. Yes, this also. Yes, we can't connect chocolate with good, obviously. Therefore 2 3 follows. Yes, this is the no condition while using in syllogisms. This is the way to solve the problem where no conclusion is given in a syllogisms. Yes, we can connect with some goods. It's the example I am telling. All sweets are taste, means we can written as sweets or taste. I said no taste sorry alls is okay, sorry guys, no taste is good means, so here taste and good is no relation, they are telling this, okay, but I can connect this good to sweet. Yes, 100%. Yes, 100% I can. Here I can write it as some sweets are good. Yes, yes. Same time, all good as sweet. Yes, both. Yes, this is the no conclusion. We can't connect with taste and good, but we can easily connect with sweet. It good relation. Yes, this is the concept we can connect. Simply in the given statement, draw the diagram and assume at what we can connect, where we can't connect. This is a simple concept. We can know this. Yes. Yes, guys. This is the only concept. Please refer all these once. I am telling once, if the basic diagram and possible diagram is both are true only, no statement, no conclusion is true. Other than any one diagram doesn't follows either basic or possible diagram, no conclusion is false. Here true, false. If both statements are both basic and possible diagram follows, no statement follows, it's true, otherwise it's false. In any one of the diagram doesn't follows. That's it. Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Hind.